Hi, Sudoku friends! Welcome back with the fourth puzzle of today's newspaper, May the 2nd on a Saturday 2020. This fourth Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, so I've told you earlier, if I solve this longer than 30 minutes, I will hate this because it's a hard one. But I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes. So let's get started. Alright, I see here an 8 in the last row, an 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be here. Then a 3 in this column, a 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. A 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. In the first row, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third row, we have an 8 over there. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 8 should be here. In this column, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 9, and 6. I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. 1 place left for the 9 should be here. So the 1 and the 6 are left. 1 and the 6 are left. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 8. I need more information. How about the 9? Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. I see here 9. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be here or there. So in the last row, we have a 9 over there. In the row above, we have a 9 in one of these 2 boxes. So in that row, the only 3 places for a 9 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only 1 place left for the 9 should be there. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. I see, so we have a 2 here. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And then the other 2 numbers, the 9 and the 6, I cannot finish this. We have a 9 here in this row, and 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 9, here or there, but I see here 9 and no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. This row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. Then, six, 9. How about, what are those numbers? The missing numbers. The numbers are the 2, the 7, and the 4. 2, 7, and the 4. 2, 7, and the 4. I cannot finish this. 2, 7, and the 4. That means those are the numbers. 2, 7, and the 4. 8, 9, no, 8, 3, and a 5. 8, 3, and a 5. 8 should be here. The 3 should be there, and the 5. No, I still cannot finish this. How about the 7 in this column? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. I see there 7. No 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or could be there. In this column, we see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. Then yes. Now I see it. This big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. Here 7. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7. So no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here or could be there in this column. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have a 7 over there. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4 are missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yes. How about no. Well, yes, in the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 there. A 3 here, so no 3 in that box. So the 3 could be here or could be there, but I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. I think I marked them because there are a lot of pairs. These two numbers are the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. These two numbers are the numbers 8 and 5 in this big square. 8 and 5. So we have two pairs. These two numbers in this row are the numbers 5 and 1. Still cannot fill this yet. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. This big square, I finished with the 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. This big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be this one. Can I do something with the... no. 2, 4, 6. I need a 6. I need a 6. These two is also an 8. I mark them. How about this? Here goes the 7. We have a 7 there, and we have a 7 here. These two are also a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6 also a pair. Here also a 9 and 5, the 7 and the 2 are missing. The 2, we have a 2 here, so the 2 goes there in these 2 boxes. The 4, we have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 goes there. Well. We have also these 3 numbers are the numbers 7, 5, and 2. 7, 5, and 2. 7, 5, and 2. I see here 7, so no 7 there. So we have here a 7. The 2 can be there, but also the 5 could be here and there. No, I need to wait. Cannot finish that. 8, 5. The 2 is also missing. The 2. 1. We have also here a 1. 1. So here 1 and there 1. About the 7, the 8, the 6. 5, 1, and the 2 is missing. The 2 should be here. Yes. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 5, and 2. I see here 2, so no 2 there. Here cannot be a 2, we have a 2 here. Only place for the 2 should be there. This should be the 2. 5 and 1, 5 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. This should be the 5. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. Alright. 1, 1. So this place should be the 1. 7 left. The 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 6. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be there. The 6 goes here. 1 number left in the first column. The 6. Here we have 6 in this row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Then 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the first row, so the row between. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the second row for the number 6, I believe. Yes, now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6. This should be the 6. This should be the 9. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be the 9. This should be the 9. Then 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then, how about these 2 numbers? The 8 and the 2. No, I cannot finish this as a pair. The third row, those 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. We have a 5 here now, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 8. This should be the 5. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be the 8. This should be the 8. This should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be the 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 7, I believe. Yes, 7 is not completed. Okay. Same like here. 1 number left in this column, the number 7. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 5 and the 2 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Alright. A little bit faster than the 3 Stars Sudoku. I'm very pleased. Very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file if you want to solve them by yourself or make them by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will continue later in a minute with the 5th puzzle, a binary puzzle. So see you soon. Bye bye.